Welcome back to YouTube channel The Oblivion. In this video we are discuss about the adrenaline injection comprehensive overview. Let we start. Number 1. Topic as mode of action. Adrenaline epinephrine is a catecholamine and a potent vasoconstrictor, bronchodilator, and cardiac stimulant. It acts primarily through adrenergic receptors. The major mechanisms include alpha 1 adrenergic receptors. Adrenaline binds to these receptors on vascular smooth muscle, causing vasoconstriction, which increases blood pressure. Beta 1 adrenergic receptors. Activation of these receptors in the heart increases heart rate, positive chronotropic effect, contractility, positive inotropic effect, and conduction through the AV node, positive dromotropic effect. Beta 2 adrenergic receptors. In the lungs, adrenaline causes bronchodilation by relaxing bronchial smooth muscles. Number 2. Topic is presentation. Adrenaline is available in several forms and concentrations. Point A is injection, typically supplied as a solution for intravenous IV, intramuscular IM, or subcutaneous SC administration. Epinephrine injection 1 ratio 1000, 1 mg prati milliliter for IM use. Epinephrine injection 1 ratio 10,000, 0.1 mg prati milliliter for IV use. Auto-injectors, devices pre-filled with adrenaline for emergency use, such as EpiPen Panjikrit Vyaparachin. Point B is inhalation, not commonly used for acute emergencies but available for some chronic conditions. Number 3. Topic is dose. Dosage varies depending on the condition being treated. Point A is anaphylaxis, typically 0.3 to 0.5 mg, 0.3 to 0.5 ml of 1 ratio 1000 solution administered intramuscularly in the mid-anterolateral thigh. Repeat every 5 to 15 minutes if symptoms persist. Point B is cardiac arrest. 1 mg 10 ml of 1 ratio 10,000 solution administered intravenously every 3 to 5 minutes during resuscitation efforts. Point C is asthma. Dosing varies, often 0.3 to 0.5 mg, 0.3 to 0.5 ml of 1 ratio 1000 solution IM or SC, though this is less common compared to inhaled beta agonists. Number 4 topic is onset of action. Point A is intramuscular injection. Onset typically occurs within 5 to 15 minutes. Effects are usually rapid and significant in emergencies such as anaphylaxis. Point B is intravenous injection, immediate onset of action, beneficial in acute settings such as cardiac arrest. Number 5. Topic is metabolism. Adrenaline is metabolized primarily in the liver and to a lesser extent in the kidneys. The metabolism involves catechol or methyltransferase COMT converts adrenaline to metinephrine. Monoamine oxidase MAO further metabolizes metinephrine to vanillylmandelic acid VMA, which is excreted in the urine. Number 6. Topic is duration of action. Point A is intramuscular injection. Effects last approximately 1 to 2 hours. This duration may vary based on the severity of the condition and the patient's response. Point B is intravenous injection. The effect is short-lived, generally lasting only minutes, necessitating continuous administration or repeated dosing in critical care settings. Number 7 topic is uses. Adrenaline is used in several critical situations, including Point A is anaphylaxis, rapid treatment of severe allergic reactions. Point B is cardiac arrest, as part of advanced cardiac life support, ACLS to restore circulation. Point C is asthma, for severe bronchospasm unresponsive to other treatments. Point D is croup, to reduce airway swelling in severe cases. Point A is local anesthesia, often combined with local anesthetics to prolong effect and reduce bleeding. Number 8 topic is side effects on body systems. Adrenaline can have various side effects due to its broad action on multiple systems. Point A is cardiovascular system. Hypertension, increased blood pressure due to vasoconstriction. Tachycardia, increased heart rate and palpitations. Arrhythmias, risk of abnormal heart rhythms. Point B is respiratory system. Hyperventilation, secondary to increased heart rate and anxiety. Pulmonary edema, rare, but can occur due to rapid changes in blood pressure. Point C is neurological system. Tremors, fine motor tremors due to beta-2 receptor stimulation. Headache, potential result of elevated blood pressure. Anxiety and nervousness, psychological effects of adrenaline release. Point D is gastrointestinal system. Nausea and vomiting, often secondary to systemic effects or rapid changes in blood pressure. Abdominal pain can occur due to redistribution of blood flow. Point A is skin. Pallor, reduced blood flow to the skin. Sweating, increased sweating as a response to systemic adrenergic stimulation. Number 9 topic is indication. Adrenaline is indicated in. Point A is anaphylaxis, for immediate treatment of severe allergic reactions. Point B is cardiac arrest, as part of the resuscitation protocol. Point C is severe asthma, when other medications are ineffective. Point D is croup, in severe cases with significant stridor. Point A is hemorrhage control, in local anesthetic solutions to reduce bleeding. Number 10 topic is advantages. Point A is rapid onset, immediate effects in critical situations. Point B is versatility, effective for multiple emergency conditions. Point C is life-saving, can be the difference between life and death in anaphylaxis and cardiac arrest. Number 11 topic is disadvantages. Point A is side effects, can lead to serious cardiovascular and neurological side effects. Point B is short duration, requires repeated dosing or continuous infusion in some cases. Point C is potential for overuse. Incorrect dosing or unnecessary use can lead to complications. Number 12 topic is conclusion. Adrenaline is a vital medication in emergency medicine, with a broad range of uses due to its powerful effects on the cardiovascular, respiratory, and nervous systems. While it offers critical advantages, such as rapid onset and life-saving potential, its use must be carefully managed to avoid significant side effects and complications. The balance between its benefits and risks underscores the importance of proper dosing and monitoring during its administration. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.